Bethans. Hi. I'm so, I don't even know the word right now. I don't know how I feel about today, about this vlog, because I've not been here for the past how many weeks, if not months. Is it up to 2 months? I don't know how long I've been away from this channel, but hi, I'm here now. Okay, hi, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to Betha's Corner, our corner. I've not said that in a long time. I know I've been on Austin Betha working out my ass and all of that, but even before Big Brother started, I don't think I've been here like that, and I apologize. I've just been feeling like I had nothing to share with you guys. Not a lot of things have been going on with me, to be very honest, and I just thought it would be very boring for me to just come on here and do nothing basically. So yeah, I would rather not bring content that bring rubbish content. That's just how I am. I know it doesn't work like that for everybody, but that's just how it is with me. Okay, anyways, I apologize, I'm sorry. Okay, so today, what's the plan? Today I'm going over to my friend's house. I'm going to meet up with Chineye. She's moving to a new apartment. You guys remember the first time she moved to her house, I also accompanied her, you know, to look for the house and everything. We found the house, I showed you guys all of that. You know, this time she's moving to a bigger apartment. Of course, she's married now, and they would need like more space in case of babies and all of that. Obviously, we expect them to come with babies very soon, right? She's currently there right now. She called me to come and see the house and everything. She wanted me to follow her to the house before now, but I wasn't available. But now I'm here. I want to go and see the place. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like, and yes, I also want to take out this hair. So I already have combs and cutting comb in my bag. Now she go help me lose this hair. You know, I don't carry comb, I don't carry cutting comb. See, my bag for me, all the zip open now, all these things gonna fall from my bag because all these things now are the tools, all my apparatus to lose my hair. I want to take it out, then also take out my nails and, you know, do something else. I also feel like doing ponytail, so maybe I would do that as well. But yeah, first things first, let's go to Chineye's house and see what it looks like. Okay, so let's go. Hey guys, you don't even talk. Climb that block. Can't climb this place.
See me, I don't talk.
Climb for my help your height.
Hi guys.
I'm here, and she's showing me the house. Apparently, she hadn't even made her choice. So, I would say she don't even make her choice. Say, make her just go see the place. But she was waiting for me to come so that I would see the 2 apartments.
She's my second eye. Without her, I cannot function.
Now, so there are like 2 different apartments here, and we've decided like instantly we don't make choice. Choice so she don't even make sense. So I'm going to show you guys both of the apartments, so that you guys can see what it looks like. Just in case they find house, reach out to me. I'll be agent. Okay. But yeah, let me show you guys what the apartment looks like. Hi. And hi, let me show you guys what the apartment looks like. It's very nice. It's a new house, actually. It's a very new house, so that's why you are seeing all these planks. Obviously they're going to take it out, but this place is really beautiful. The only problem when I get Napsy, this place far. Man, but it's closer for her because of her job. Yeah. You know, it's closer for her because of her job, but for me, I'm not gonna fit.
Anything will make you come stay around here. I will abandon my house.
Oh, yeah.
And that's a period. I will abandon my house. I end up staying in that place. In fact, 90% of the time I'll be in the house. I know. So, let us help ourselves.
Alright guys, let me show you guys this girl that idiot. I mean, get up from your mouth now as they still be. Wait till they go. Yeah. As in, they never get bad boy. If you want job now, your matter. So all this ground now, what do you go do for all this ground?
Maybe that interlocking, that shiny one.
The black one.
The black one, yeah.
Oh. So this is the first apartment she wanted to take. I mean, this is where her first option was, and she was waiting for me. So let's go upstairs. I love the fact that it's upstairs anyway. So yeah, you guys just ignore all this mess, okay? So that place is the visitor's toilet. Yeah, so here, this is the sitting room. You know, it has POP. I hope that's what this thing is called. Yeah. But yes, there's a spot for chandelier if you want to put that. So this is the sitting area that's the dining area. So let me just give you guys a 360. So this is dining area. All of this is the sitting room area. Yeah, so this is the kitchen. This is very large, very, very nice. Obviously now our bag way there, you know. So you have this workers and their things there. So you have this slab. So the sink you guys saw outside is meant to be here. They haven't fixed it. So that's part of the reasons why we're like, we don't know if we're going to choose this place. Then this is the storeroom. So let me give you guys a full kitchen view. So from the storeroom, this is what the kitchen is looking like. Yeah, this is what the kitchen is looking like. And then let's go to the room. Jay, where's the first bedroom? Right hand, okay. So this is the master's bedroom. This is what it looks like. Okay. And then here, obviously there's a wardrobe. Not too big, but I mean, that's okay. You know. Then you have the bathroom here. They still haven't fixed all those things. I don't know what all those things are. They haven't fixed it, but I just really like the details. I love these things, like very pretty.
So the shower head is flexible.
Ah.
Like
Man, no, if you and your husband this side, anyone that want make the water they knack, you go they knack the right place. No other. They're supposed to put water heater here, but they never put them. Then this is the other room. There's also ventilation here, Sha. Yeah. There's ventilation everywhere. Yeah. So they haven't fixed this place, you know. So this was why she was waiting for me to come. There's ventilation here, but this one has just one window. Then this is the toilet and bathroom for the other room. You know, they haven't put, I don't know, they fixed it. Yeah, fixed it. But this is what it looks like. Now let's go to the other apartment, the one we now finally chose, so you guys can see the difference. I like this place, but they do matter. Alright guys, so this is the second apartment. This is the stairs that leads to the apartment. So yeah, let's go upstairs. So for this place, there's already somebody here, you know, someone's already staying here. So this is the other side. So all of this place will be for her. That's the visitor's toilet. Let's see what it looks like. This is going to be the visitor's toilet. So they're here to fix all the things that needs to be fixed here. So now we're going into the house proper, right? So guys, take a look at this sitting room. This is way bigger than that one. Way bigger. China, is it the same price?
Yeah.
Wow, this is way bigger than that one. You know, wow. And then of course this is the dining area. Well, but the other one has a bigger dining area, but who cares? This is the dining area. This is the kitchen. This is smaller compared to the first one, yeah, but it's basically the same thing. It's just this one, the sink has already been fixed as well, and the store here is bigger. The storeroom is bigger. The storeroom here is quite big, you know, so this is what it looks like from this end, you know. Let me show you guys the rooms. This is what the room looks like from here. This is the master's bedroom, yeah? And there's cross ventilation as well. So it looks like, you know, so, you know, that's the door, and then you have all of this space here, and then the toilet and bath. Now this is way bigger than the first one. This is way bigger. This also has that shower thing she was talking about, but here they already fixed the water heater. Now the downside to this is there's no slab that kind of differentiates the bathroom from the toilet, you know, but I mean, you can still work with this regardless. You can still work with this. Better make they see the water heater now than to say they go put and they go put and you never know when they go put them. So this is better. You can still put a slab here by yourself, you know. I've seen people do that, you know. And they're not going to do that one, they will leave another in the bath. If water pour, then they raise their leg. So yeah, this is it. And then let me show you guys the last one. This is the second room here. This is the second room here. Okay. Yeah, and it also has a wardrobe. You know, it has a wardrobe, and this is the toilet and bath as well for this one. You know, so I love it. Already this one to get your own water heater, so no story. Okay. So if I come here, come back, I will get hot water. Now waiting maybe that. Let me just tell you guys another thing I like about this place here. See ventilation. You see silence. Cause that other one I showed you guys, the generator house is right in front. They're going to put like a very big list out there. Just a lot of things will be going on there because now there's space there. People go to park there. If they want to come up for morning, now horn they go to wake you. Like there are just too many downsides to that place. But this place, you have this, you know, what do they call this place? My friend said now serenity. In case the English not correct, I know that go home. So he said we get this serenity. Don't crazy. So as you see that like food, they tell me say that serenity. But yeah, you have this, you know, there are plants here. We have plantains. So this is like a plantation. This one saying that serenity. When the serenity said follow for the matter. So yes, there's a plantation there. You know, so it just brings in a lot of air. You know, I really like this space. I know this is the perfect lighting. I just wanted to show you guys what we have in front of us. Yeah, so yes, let me know what you guys think. I know people like the house. Now I want to collect the house. Now I want to come up for the house. Now I can't take this one. You don't show them the toilet. I don't show them the visitors toilet. Yeah. So let me know what you guys think. Chine, before I come, I tell them say you go help me lose my hair. I'm not losing nothing. So I go lose my hair now because I want to go. Wait till they call her. I want to go do ponytail today. And I want to change my nails. So yeah guys, let me take out this hair. She's willing to help me. She's a sweetheart. Let me know what you guys think about this house. It is so pretty. It is so pretty, but the problem is say it's too far for me. Far from civilization. It's not far from civilization out there, but I mean, and please nobody should ask me for the location because no. Nobody ask me for location. When I don't go attack my friends, say more attack and you know better, let's attack her. She's going to lead us to better. So I'm just joking guys, but yeah, nobody should ask for the address because even me, I don't know the address. As I tell Rishi and I God know. So yeah, let me just take out this hair. I'm already babbling. Bye.